In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw the chicken jockey from Minecraft in an easy and quick way, step by step, and show you how to color the drawing, so stay until the end and come with me. Let's draw a square for the zombie's head. And a rectangle for the chicken's body. Now here come the chicken's eyes. Next, the beak. We can draw the feet. Now let's draw the zombie's eyes. Then the nose. Let's continue with the mustache and the mouth. And we can do the hair. Let's draw the zombie's body. Then come the arms. we can draw the legs. Now come the chicken's wings. Add some details. And now we can color it in. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.